What's going on, everybody? Josh, startingringgatorbusiness.com. Today we got a little trick for you on steel valleys. Show you how it works. All right, so this steel valley was ran long out of this tin roofing. And what we did here to put the gutter on, this is a 6-inch box gutter on here. And I trimmed this 1 inch long coming in, and then trimmed up the peak of the valley to kind of close it off, made a closure on there. So this is actually my house. So I've been watching this, and during crazy storms, it shoots over in this corner. And definitely not a normal storm. Nothing that, this is not probably something I'd be normally worried about, but figured we'd show you guys this trick. So what we got here, if you throw a bunch of water in there, about half of it, if it's like really raining, half of it shoots right over the top. Normally this is not a problem. I've only seen this happen twice. Anyways, figured to show you guys a little trick. What you do here, since I ran these lips a little long, so you can put a bend in these lips. This roofing job was not done very good, but you can curve these 1-inch lips down. This helps with bent seamers, but I couldn't find any today. Bend this lip down like that. So what happens is the water actually sticks to this metal, so that kind of loops it straight down into the gutter. So let's see if it worked. Heck yeah! Nothing came out. Good to go. Nice. So kind of a cool little trick. Just it's kind of like the same principle as gutter helmet or any of those hood screens. You get that water following the metal, which it's following the valley metal already. And as long as you can hook these down and point it down into the gutter, the water will follow that metal down and shoot into the gutter, rather than, another option is a splash block, obviously, but a lot of, I don't really like the look of a splash block. So this works pretty good and solves the problem a lot of times. So thanks for watching. Make sure and follow us for more tips. Like, subscribe, comment below. See you on the next one.